Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2016 Toyota Tacoma. This Tacoma is featured in a white paint finish and is the SR5 trim. It includes features such as our double cab seating, oversized tires, a lift kit, our Pro Series black rims, heated powered outside mirrors, as well as our hands-free audio system. Now to the front of the Tacoma, we can see that we have our black door handle. Below it, we have our outside powered mirror controls, our door locks as well as our window locks, and our powered window controls with one-touch up and down driver window. In the bottom of the door panel, a little bit of extra storage. To the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we can see that we have some storage, as well as our lighting for our bed, as well as the controls for our plugs. Moving to the center, we have our display cluster with digital speedometer in the middle. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our hands-free, and just below it, we have our answer and hang up our calls. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our controls for our digital information and our display cluster. Moving to the middle, we have our radio, which also functions as our backup camera with adaptive guidelines. It does contain a touchscreen, but we do have additional controls. So we have our eject for our CD player, which is through the top, our answer phone, our tune, our seek, our track back, as well as our play pause. On the left-hand side, our power with our volume control, audio, apps, and our home button. Below that, we have our drive mode select, our heated mirror settings, as well as our climate control. Then at the bottom, we have our extra power button, a USB as well as an auxiliary, and a flip open 12-volt plug. In the bottom, some additional storage, including 2 cup holders. Moving back, we have our leather wrap shift knob, an additional cup holder with storage, then our center console. Opening up our center console, we can see that we have some leather or some cloth at the bottom, as well as a 12-volt plug. Moving across to our seats, we can see that they are finished in a gray cloth. Then lastly, above our rear view mirror, we have our sunglass holder, as well as our ABS button, and our lighting controls. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving down to our tires, we can see that we have our Pro Series black wheels with center cap. We can also see our lift kit there, as well as our oversized tires. Moving up, we can see our outside heated powered mirrors and our paint match, as well as our paint match door handles. We have a black assist step running through the bottom of the cab. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we can see our Tacoma badging, as well as our 4x4 and V6 badging. We also have our trailer hitch, which includes a trailer brake controller. On the left-hand side, we can see our backup camera. Opening up the rear of the vehicle, we can see that we have our bed liner, as well as all of our tie-downs, and an additional plug in the back of the vehicle. Now moving into the rear of the vehicle, we can see that we have our black finish door handle. Moving down, we have our power window control, as well as some additional storage in the door itself. Moving into the vehicle, in the center, we have 2 additional cup holders. Moving to our seats, they're in a gray cloth finish. We have 3 seats in the rear of the double cab, and they all fold down. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2016 Toyota Tacoma. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.